Imagine a world where the sun suddenly vanished. What would happen? Let's dive into the immediate chaos and confusion that follows this unimaginable event. The first moment would bring absolute darkness. Day becomes night, leaving everyone disoriented and frightened, wondering what happened to their source of light. Immediately, temperatures would start to drop. Without the sun's warmth, people would begin to feel a chilling cold settle in, intensifying their distress. Animals, too, would react instinctively. Pets would sense the change, becoming restless and anxious, as their world becomes suddenly alien and frightening. As darkness spreads, panic might set in. People would rush to gather their loved ones, fearing the unknown and the collapse of their reality. Modern technology would struggle too. Satellites and navigation systems, depending on sunlight, would start to fail, plunging cities into chaos without guidance. As fear spreads, many would seek answers. News reports may scramble to explain the phenomenon, but the truth remains a mystery, leaving anxiety in its wake. Social media would explode with speculation. Everyone would express their fears and theories about the sun's disappearance, fostering a sense of global community in panic. As the darkness extends, minds begin to wander. People might reflect deeply on life, existence, and their place in the universe, creating moments of introspection. But this isn't the end. In the next section, we will explore what happens next. How can life on Earth survive when the very thing that sustains it is gone? Without the sun, Earth's temperature would plummet, causing a long-lasting freeze. Imagine snow covering everything, even the deep oceans turning into ice. With the sun gone, plants would die off, leading to a collapse of the food chain. Picture animals searching for food, confused and hungry. As life on Earth declines, humans would face severe challenges. Imagine towns adapting with bonfires and makeshift homes to survive in the cold. The atmosphere would slowly change as oxygen levels drop due to the dying vegetation. Visualize people gasping and using masks to breathe. As generations pass, some communities might adapt underground, creating a new way of living. Envision families gathered in warm-lit caves, sharing meals. Some might look to technology for survival, harnessing geothermal energy. Imagine people rigging up gadgets with glowing machinery deep within the Earth. Over centuries, Earth's surface may thaw slightly, creating unique ecosystems. Imagine scientists studying rare glowing plants in a hidden grove. As humanity evolves, stories of the sun might turn into myths. Picture a children's story circle, where adults share colorful tales of a sunny past. While life adapts, the mysteries of the cosmos would beckon. Imagine humans gazing at the stars, wondering if the sun could ever return, dreaming of exploring new worlds beyond Earth. Imagine the darkness enveloping the solar system as the sun suddenly vanishes. Planets would drift aimlessly through space without its guiding light. The Earth, now bereft of sunlight, would face an immediate drop in temperature. An artful transition shows Earth's landscape losing warmth and light. As temperatures plummet, ecosystems would collapse. Animals and plants would struggle to survive in the frigid conditions, seeking warmth and light. The moon, meanwhile, would lose its tether to Earth, floating away into the depths of space. A whimsical scene of the moon drifting peaceably. The gravitational balance of the solar system would disintegrate. Planets would begin to collide and create chaos in their new orbits. Humanity, now dependent on artificial light, would struggle to maintain civilization. Cities would glow against a pitch-black sky. As time passes, Earth would transition into a dark, frozen wasteland. Life as we know it would almost entirely vanish, with only memories left behind. Farther out in the cosmos, other star systems would also react to this cosmic disturbance. Their gravitational harmony could be similarly affected. The vast universe continues to expand, yet the absence of the sun would leave a forever altered solar system, a stark reminder of its vital role. Imagine a world where the sun vanishes in an instant. What would happen to us, our planet, and everything we hold dear? First, we would lose warmth and light. In just a few minutes, temperatures would plunge, bringing a deep chill to the world around us. The disappearance of sunlight would also affect our food supply. Plants rely on the sun for photosynthesis, and without it, they would perish. Life as we know it would soon come to a halt. Animals would struggle, and entire ecosystems would collapse without the sun's energy. Furthermore, Earth's orbit would be thrown into chaos. Without the sun's gravity, planets would drift aimlessly through the cosmos. As we delve into the cosmic consequences, we realize how intertwined our lives are with this giant ball of gas, shining brightly in the sky. Our cultures, histories, and even our biology have evolved under the sun's influence, shaping who we are today as a species. In this thought experiment, we see the fragility of our existence and the importance of the sun as our ultimate life source. As we conclude, let's reflect on how we can appreciate the sun while it shines, understanding the vital role it plays in our lives.